Alright guys, welcome back to Ralph's Garage. As you can see, I'm not in my garage. I am at the hobby shop on Davis Monthan Air Force Base in Tucson, Arizona. I'll be here for about a year, and while I'm out here, I picked up a new project for the channel. I'm pretty excited about it. Let's pan it over here and check it out, see what we got. This is a 1964 GMC step side regular cab short bed. Rust-free, found out here in the desert, and this is going to be the new project for the channel, so I'm starting a whole build series on this, and I'm doing it here at the hobby shop where I'll have access to a lift, paint booth, welding shop, all kinds of stuff. This is one of the nicest hobby shops I've seen on a military post. So I'm going to show you around the truck now. Alright guys, here it is. I've always wanted a regular cab short bed. Now I have one. I just have to assemble it. It has a small block 350 in it right now and a TH400, which I'm taking out. You guys know the deal. I'm gonna put an LS in this, either a 5.3 or a 6 liter, depending on what I can find cheap on Facebook Market. And at the end of the build, about a year from now, Melissa's going to fly out here. We're going to jump in this truck and we're going to drive it all the way across country back to New Jersey. So I need to make sure that she's in tip-top shape. I'm not sure about the color that I'm going to paint it, or if I'm going to paint it. Drop your opinions on that down in the comments and let me know what I should do with it. Still looking for a bunch of parts, but it's mostly there. And there's no rust. These things usually rust out right here, which you can see there's the tiniest little bit. This is the worst spot on the whole truck right there. Hardly anything. I mean, in New Jersey, that would be no rust. But all the cab corners and everything are in super good shape. The frame is actually freshly coated. And the bottom of the cab is coated as well. It's all super clean. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed because it's going to be a pretty good build. Stay safe. See you guys later.